Welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel, and this is a quick video for anybody that wants to know if you have been part of the Facebook data breach that has happened. You just have to click the link to this page that I will be posting in the description below the video. What it does is actually basically tell you if you've been one of those affected. It will tell you here at the bottom you got to be logged into your account, and once you're logged in, here it's going to tell you if yes or no you've been breached. In my account, my case with my main account, I'm not showing it here because it's in French, but my main account is not one of them that was breached. That's what it tells me when I go here. So that will be telling you if yes or not, yes or no, you are in the data breach or not. The good news is that only 29 million accounts finally were actually breached. That's smaller number than they thought. Also, of course, they reset the access tokens and all of that. The bad news is they access pretty much everything, because those that actually access the Facebook accounts, they just got access to everything, including name, date of birth, all the information that you put in there. That's why I always play safe and have wrong information in there, so that even if they get it, they're not gonna get the real me. So check it out, and of course, hopefully you're not one of those. There's a very small amount, because remember that 29 million accounts is a very small number if you think that Facebook has 2 billion accounts. So chances are really slim that you've been impacted by this issue. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.